Would you like to weld faster? Would you like to weld better? Would you like to weld more cost-effectively? We have the solution. EWM Force Arc. Force Arc is a revolutionary innovation from EWM that gives you the edge. Now you can weld more effectively than ever before. Low alloy and high alloy steels, as well as aluminum from a panel thickness from 5 millimeters and over. Weld faster, better, and more cost-effectively. With EWM Force Arc technology, you can simply weld faster. Welding with 40-degree seam preparations provides additional important speed advantages. In direct comparison to a standard Mi'kmaq spray arc, EWM Force Arc has enormously high arc pressure and a constricted forced arc. Which ensures deep fusion penetration, optimum root formation, and ultimately a considerably higher welding speed. With EWM Force Arc, you can weld up to 30% faster. For instance, in rail vehicle construction, or vehicle construction in general. With EWM Force Arc technology, you can simply weld better. The excellent fusion penetration properties provide the optimum root formation, especially with restricted access and narrow joints. The directionally stable and smooth arc provides the best possible seam quality. This is shown by a direct comparison with a standard spray arc seam. The root formation is also impressive in the comparison. Clear benefits, for instance, for vehicle construction, automated, shipbuilding, container, and equipment construction. With EWM Force Arc technology, you can simply weld more cost-effectively. EWM Force Arc provides you with cost savings of up to 50% with a simultaneous increase in productivity. Potential savings from the seam preparation alone. A narrower seam angle means fewer layers. That means less consumption of materials and energy. And reduced workshop costs. For instance, in machine construction, in crane construction, and steel construction work. EWM Force Arc technology is now integrated into every machine in the Phoenix Pulse series as standard. The Phoenix machines cover the entire range of all modern welding tasks: manual use, mechanized use, robot applications. And what's more, they are child's play to use. The self-explanatory operating concept permits the welding task to be selected easily and guarantees perfect and reproducible welding results every time. An unbeatable team. Phoenix with EWM Force Arc.